everyone, I want to do a packing video because a lot of people ask me, how do I pack so efficiently? So one thing that I've always used are packing cubes. And when I say a packing cube, this is not something Initials Inc. makes. This one happens to be by Travelsmith. I have some by Eagle Creek, eBags, different things like that. All a packing cube is it's a little, like a little cube that you can put some items or clothes in. So for example, this is a small one, and you see I've unzipped it so it's expanded. So what I'm going to put in my small one are undies and some socks and my masks. I'm going camping this weekend, so I'm doing horse camping, so I'm taking my horsey masks. So you can see it's in the cube, plenty of room to spare. Here's the magic. You zip the top part of the cube. Still not very magical. These are called compression cubes because see that extra zipper? Watch what happens. When I zip that, this isn't even as full as I would make it for a lengthy trip. See how it's a little package now. It's a little package of undies, socks, masks, and even sports bras. So when I am where I'm going, all I have to do is pull this one out to know where those items are. So that's ready. I don't think I'm going to use the other small one, so I'll put that away. This is a larger one. Again, same brand. I like these with the mesh top because it does have a little give to it, and it'll help with the compression. So what I'm going to put in this one is my pants. So I'm going to take, and folding is key, okay? Don't just fold them flat. I use the Marie Kondo style folding. So for a pair of pants, I'm going to take them into a third and a third and then fold them over. So they become like a little envelope. And these will sit straight up. So when I look in here, I will see those are the pants. So I've got another pair like that, folded similarly. I've got another pair of riding pants and a pair of shorts. Shorts also folded 3 times. Doot, doot. Look at that. Becomes like a little envelope. So when you put these in your drawer too, they kind of stand up and you can see what's there. So this cube, I would say, is full. Can't see it because I'm a little too close, but I'm going to zip it up while it's fully open. Not impressive until I do the compression, okay? So now I do the second zipper. It's compressed. So there's bottoms. So the next one I will fill with shirts. I love these things because when you get where you're going, you just unpack these. And I'm going to pack them all in my One Trip Wonder. I'm going to pack everything in the One Trip Wonder, so you're going to see that. I've got 3 short sleeve shirts. Again, folded third, and then over, like a little envelope, okay? Those are going to sit straight up so I can see which shirts they are. This is how they are in my drawer, too. Then I've got that bright blue shirt. I pack too much, but I pack efficiently so I can have extra. I'm going to take a long sleeve shirt, and this is super bulky, a sweatshirt. But I'm going to put it in my cube, and it's not going to be a problem. So, again, it is fully expanded, and I zip it up. I press on it. Zip it up, and then I do the compression zip. I love compressing these things. Now, sometimes I have to kind of squeeze it, get all the air out of there. And also, your things will not wrinkle as badly. When you're traveling like on a long trip or overseas, your clothes won't wrinkle as badly when they're rolled and compressed because they are held tight. So, there it is. Now, One Trip Wonder. This is how small it gets. But if you've seen it before, you know it gets massive. This is the new Palmetto print. Beautiful with the bright green and navy. This is called tie-dye. It's kind of like a navy tie-dye stripe. So big open bag. And what do? I put my biggest cube in the bottom, put the next cube, and these cubes are actually gonna go side by side. You can't really see. But I had barely used up any of this bag. Then I do the undies. And then look, I have all my toiletries, my toothbrush. I even, you guys know I love my Initials Ink things. These were the little pouches that we had last summer. And I have like vitamins and I pack all my vitamins and my daily meds in separate little baggies so I'm not carrying bottles anywhere. So look, that drops in there, easy to find. Makeup is in my little Use It cosmetic case. This is not available anymore, but we do have one that looks like this called the Essentials, or Every Little Thing. So I'll probably transfer into that at some point, but I'm just moved in, so I'm gonna take that. And then packet pouch, I'm not even using this one because I don't need to. I have plenty of room. But these are nice little pouches for medicines, toiletries, zipper pouches, wipe clean exterior and interior. And the neat thing is this little tether. So you could then tether it to the outside of another bag for handy access when traveling. So I just wanted to show you what a packet pocket looks like. That is different than my packing cubes, okay? So I'll just throw them in there. Then the One Trip Wonder does have little snaps on the side here so that you can skinny it up a little bit so it's not so overwhelmingly massive. But I like it being overwhelmingly massive. I have loads of room left, loads of room. I could probably put a few pair of boots in here. Heck, I don't know. But this is what I'm taking, the One Trip Wonder. It's all you need, and you can take everything in one trip. So that's how I pack, and thanks for joining me on my packing, because now I'm actually finished. And there you go. If you don't have one of these, I would highly recommend you get at least one. I have 3 because they're so strong and sturdy, and they just hold an enormous amount. And when I get where I'm going, I'll just unpack my cubes or dig in there and get what I want, and I'm ready to pack. I'm ready to play. So thanks you guys for joining me on this video. If you need any tips on folding, packing, or how to organize your packing, let me know. I'm happy to help you. Have a great weekend.